Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you are new. And one of the things I wanted to say about this video is this. So as I was doing my spring kind of like decorate, as I was taking my plants out on my porch that we had in our greenhouse inside and everything, I started thinking about how different my porch looks. So I wanted to kind of take a trip down memory lane a little bit and kind of give you the backstory of how the porch came about, like how much different it is and all that stuff. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you inspiration, and I hope it gives you motivation too as well, because you can take anything that is just sitting around your house and repurpose it. And that's what we did with this filing cabinet. We just repurposed it, and it works like a charm. But anyway, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it gives you some inspiration and motivation to get your house in order for spring.
Hey guys, good morning.
Done.
It's Sunday morning, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers. Wanted to show you something. This is like a file cabinet that we had, an old file cabinet. And as you can see, it used to be red and I painted it blue. But we're making it into a planter. So my husband, he drilled some holes in here on each side right here. That way when we do water the plants and stuff like that, the water has some way to drain out of there. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what you could do with a little bit of an imagination. So anyway, I really like this file cabinet and I'm glad we're using it as a planter, DIY planter. Okay, so I'm back again, guys, and I wanted to kind of show you the DIY file cabinet planter. And my husband took some spray paint, and it's got like rust protection on there, so that way it won't rust. And it's like the silver chrome looking thing. So anyway, it's looking really, really good. I cannot wait to do this. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of give you a inside look to it.
did like a front porch spring makeover type of thing. I think it was about 2 or 3 videos back or something like that. But anyway, where we added some more succulent plants. But anyway, so we added something new to our porch, and we got it from, well, this group I'm in. It's where where people kind of post things they want to get rid of, and they call it like gifting and stuff like that. So anyway, we went and grabbed it, and anyway, I want you to see it right now. You can kind of see it now, but anyway, oh my gosh, guys, this, I love it. It's really pretty. I love the color. And we also had this planter thingy up against the wall over here. It was kind of in the corner. We weren't really utilizing it at the time or whatnot. And my husband decided to put this boxy like succulent into it. And then I put this smaller succulent into this side right here. And we got it from over here. So anyway, I'm hoping to get some more like summer succulents or something like that. Something for summer, but anyway, we'll see. But yeah, so we got this bench for free. So hang on one second, guys. Okay, so anyway, I am so excited about this bench, and we will be coming out here probably more often to come to sit out here and all that. And now I'm more determined to have a succulent kind of garden right here. So when we look down, we'll see it. But I'm still trying to talk my husband into doing that. But I think it's going to happen. It's just a matter of timing. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you stick around, subscribe, like, share, comment, do all the things. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.